To create appointment slots using Google Calendar, you're going to make sure you're in the day or week view and click where you want your appointments to start. So for example, if I want to book appointments from 12 to 3, I'm going to click here. When the meeting time opens up, I choose appointment slots. Here, I can say Tech Help. It's going to be from 12 to 3. And you can sign up for 40-minute time slots. If I go to more options, I can also repeat this weekly on Monday, daily. If I go to every weekday, I can do a custom and say end on a certain time. So let's say I'm going to do this every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Or let's say I'll do every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and it will end on May 4th. And I say done. And now this is a reoccurring. And that's it. I'm going to save. Now notice that I can open this back up, and there is a guest here. This guest is for a co-collaborator on this appointment, so a co-teacher you might want to add as a guest that they have access to the entire calendar. This is not where you would invite students, okay, because any guest has access to the full calendar. All right, so here's my appointment slots. Now, if I want to have students sign up, this is the link to the appointments calendar. So I can click this link here, copy it, and then paste it and send it to students. Or I can just highlight it here and send a message to students where they can click on this link and schedule an appointment. Or I could post it on my announcements page in my It's Learning course, or post it in my sticky box. Hope this helps.